this video tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step on how to carry out copy trading on Bybit. For those of you who don't know already, copy trading is actually a system that is programmed by the Bybit exchange that allows you to copy pro traders whenever they carry out trades. So instead of you going through the risks of giving your money to somebody in order to trade and then they give you returns back, you can do that using Bybit as the middleman. So it means your money will remain in your account and then you just automatically copy whatever trades that these pro traders are carrying out on their own platform. So this is for you if you are just learning how to trade, if you don't know how to trade futures and you want to leverage on the skills of those who know how to trade already. This is for you if you know how to trade and you don't have the time to trade. So you can automatically be copying the trades of all of the pro traders on Bybit, and whatever they carry out, if they make profit, it will be reflecting in your account. If they make some losses, it will be reflecting on your account. Now the best part is Bybit can give you up to $100 return if you make a loss copying any trader on the platform. I'll be showing you how to claim that in a moment. So if you are new to the channel, make sure that you subscribe, hit that notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever new videos like this are published. And if you want to learn more, join us on Telegram. The link will be in the video description, or you can check out my bio for that. So the first thing is to get a Bybit account. If you don't have one already, make sure you sign up using the link in the video description or the link in my bio. And after you sign up, we're going to use the mobile app to do this. So here on the mobile app, log into your Bybit account. And once you log into your Bybit account, to follow step by step whatever I'm showing you here, make sure that you're on the pro version. So click on the pro version option. And once you click on the pro version option, if you don't see the copy trading menu right here, make sure you click on the more option. So once you click on the more option, you want to scroll down here until you see the option for copy trading. Once you see it, go ahead and click on it. Now, once you click on the copy trading option, it brings you to this interface. Now, here by default, Bybit will recommend some traders for you. For instance, this trader is up by 22%. This one is up by 12%. If you want to, you can click on any of this one and copy. But I will just close this option. And as I said earlier, you can claim up to 100 USDT if any trader that you are copying right here makes any loss for you for your first trade. So to do that, you'll see the banner right here. This one, I've already claimed mine, right? So you want to go ahead and click on the option that says claim, right? This button here that says claim, make sure you claim this. This is your premium protection voucher. It means if you are copying any trader and that trader lose up to 100 USDT, Bybit will refund that for you, or refund that to you. And what that simply means is that you are trying out the copy trading all for free. So right here you can see on the leaderboard, you can see the best traders, right? These are the traders for, we're looking at data. Okay, I think 7 days data for these traders, as you can see. And then if I keep scrolling down, you see this person up by 100%, or by 199%. You can see all of these different options here. So any of this trader that you want to copy, you see, once the copy option is highlighted, it means that you can actually copy that trader. So before I copy the trader, let's say we want to copy this one that is up with 199%. I'll click on the person. Okay, just click on it. And once you click on it, you will see that this person just started not long ago. You can see the trading days, you can see the number of followers, and you can see the statistics right here. This is 7 days statistics. So we can scroll down here and see what this trader is currently doing. And if you are satisfied, if you want to see the kind of trades or the trades that are currently running, or the history of this person's trades, some of them don't let all of those options available for you until you start copying. Then you can click on the trade option. So let's see if we can see some details from this trader. Currently, the trader has a trade that is currently running, and you have SRP, you have Solana, you have Purple, and because of the dip we had last night, I guess that is why, because they are all long trades, that's why this person's trade is still running in losses. Then if you want to see past trades history, you can click on the past copy trade, like right here. You can see the past copy trade option there. Click on it and you can check out the history of this person's trade. You see, aside this drawdown that this person have, you can see that the person has actually been shorting and then it decided to long, and market is going against him and all of that. So you can check out the followers too and see how much this trader has made for those copying his or her trade. right? So if you are satisfied, you go ahead and click on the copy trading option, the copy option right here, and you can copy that trader. Let's look at another trader. Let's say we'll look at this first one right here. I have a list of favorite trader that actually copy. This person has no one copying his or her trade, but the person has been trading for 79 days. So you can just check around. Let's say this 100% person, and we can check right here. If you are satisfied with anybody you want to copy, let's say I go back to that 199% option or trader. So if you are satisfied, you just click on the copy option right here. So once you click on the copy option, you see this option that is turned on here. This is for your protection, so you can get up to 100 USDT. Make sure if it is not on, make sure you turn it on. And right here, we can now start copying this trader. Right here, I have some funds here, and the minimum I can copy this trader with is 100 USDT. So all I just need to do is to type 100 USDT right here. Since that is the minimum, it can be more, whatever you want. The choice is yours. And then you have the trailing stop option that is set on here. If you want to trail the market, even when the trader closes his or her trade, your own will still be running until the condition for the trailing stop is met, right? Your trade will continue to run in profit. And then if the market retraces by 20% according to whatever you set up here as a trailing stop, then you'll be out of that trade. Now, the next thing you want to do is just to go ahead and click on the copy now option. Once you've added the amount you want to copy this trader with and you set your trailing stop, click on the copy now option, and automatically you start copying every trade that this trader takes going forward. And one thing you will notice here is that on the premium version option, I've already claimed the initial $100 that Bybit gives you. So if you want to keep claiming this subsequently going forward, the more you now invest in copy trading, the more you'll be claiming losses if any trader makes a loss for you. For instance, if I want to claim more, I will need to invest or copy this trader with at least $800. Then this I can check it on. And if the trader loses any money, then I can claim up to, you can see the option right here that if I add up to 800 USDT, I can claim up to 100 USDT loss coverage if this trader make a loss for me. But if you are doing this for the first time, these conditions are not there. Once you copy any trader with a minimum of $100, you automatically qualify to claim 100 USDT if that trader make any loss for you. So once you copy the trader, your trades will be running. And in order to see all of the trades activities that is ongoing right here, if I go back one step, at the top here, you will see where it says my trades. Go ahead and click on that option, and once you click on the my trades option, you will see here where it says master traders. This is where you see the list of every trader that you are copying, and from here you can manage whether you want to unfollow them, you want to reduce your investment, you want to increase your investment. You can check out the trade history as well and see all of the trades that those traders are making for you, are trading or are taking on your behalf. And any of the trader that is not doing well, you can just see them here, and from here you can say, I no longer want to follow this trader, or I want to increase the investment on this trader. I'll make subsequent video to follow up this, but for now, this is all you need to do to be able to copy a trader on Bybit and equally stand a chance to claim up to 100 USDT loss coverage if those traders actually make losses for you in your first trade. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, give it a thumbs up, and if you have questions, you can always use the comment section. Once again, if you want to take advantage of all of our free signals and all the educational resources about crypto trading and investing, then make sure you join us on Telegram using the link in the video description, or check out my bio for that. If you don't have a Bybit account, the link in the video description will give you up to $30,000 as welcome bonus. So make sure you take advantage of that, and I'll see you in my next video.